Welcome to UltraFlex Power Installation video series. Now we will review the installation and setup of the EasyMelt series machines. Install your new EasyMelt on a flat-top surface capable of carrying the weight and convenient to operate the unit and all its accessories. Make sure your incoming power line matches the electrical parameters listed on the nameplate of the unit. Electrical supply: single phase, 220 volts AC plus or minus 10%, 50 to 60 Hertz, 25 amps. Select and install an adequate cooling system. For normal operation of the unit, you need a cooling system with the following parameters: filtered deionized water, minimum water flow of 1.6 lpm or 0.5 GPM, minimum differential pressure of 3 bar or 45 psi, max input pressure of 6 bar or 90 psi, temperature range of water 15 degrees C or 59 degrees Fahrenheit to 35 degrees C or 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Before opening, please check the crate for visible shipping damages. If there are any damages of the package, please contact your delivery company and notify the sender. Unscrew the top of the crate using Phillips screwdriver. Take out the accessory pack first, then unstrap and release the unit from the crate. Package contains induction melter, crucible, tongs, CD with manual. Check the unit for visible shipping damages. Connect the unit to a power line observing all local electrical codes. Note, some municipalities may require a certified electrician to do this. Attach the cooling system using 8x6mm polyurethane hose. Turn the cooling system on and check for leaks. Turn the power on. Check if the unit is ready to work. Turn the unit power switch on. The switch is located on the back of the unit. ER28 means there is insufficient water flow. Start your cooling system. Clear the fault ER28 by depressing the stop button. Your induction melter, EasyMelt, is ready for work. To install the unit, you will need Phillips screwdriver or electrical tool, cutter, adjustable wrench, slotted screwdriver,